Hi guys, welcome back to Ndute's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these awesome pancakes. We're going to need some eggs. I'm going to use 3 eggs, some salt, some sugar, a cup of milk, and some flour. I have my white bowl there, and that is where I'm going to mix everything up. I'll start by breaking my 3 eggs. I like making pancakes on Sundays because pancakes on a Sunday morning just makes the Sunday nice, some pancakes, and the day is just a chill day and you're just at home, everyone is at home. It just makes the whole day perfect. So I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm also going to add like 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 cups of flour, so once I finish putting in all my dry ingredients, I mix everything nicely with a spoon completely until everything mixes together perfectly, so that my sugar and my flour mixes nicely together with my eggs and my salt. Then once everything is done, all my dry ingredients are done and my egg has completely mixed together with my flour, I add in my wet ingredients, and that is my milk, 1 cup of milk, slowly as I mix. And I'm gonna mix in everything slowly so that it doesn't splash all over the place. So just mix in everything nicely so that everything is mixed nicely. Be patient. So I decided to add some warm water so I can achieve the kind of consistency that I want. I don't like to have my pancakes very fluffy or fat. I like a little bit of flatness in my pancakes, but if you prefer having those fat fluffy pancakes, then here is where you're gonna reduce the amount of fluid you put in your flour so that it's a little bit thicker. So my fluid has started becoming nice and soft, and now it's almost ready. I have some hot oil on my pan there, and now I'm going to start cooking my pancakes. So I like to use this spoon to fetch my flour. It helps me to measure the amount of flour I put in my pan. And so I put 1.25 of that spoon, and then I flatten it out using a spoon, and I try and make a nice circle, and then I let it cook on one side and then let it cook on the other side also. So I'm now going to flip it and let it cook on the other side, and then we will see how our first pancake turns out. So far it looks good, so let's see. Oh, it looks nice. I like the brown. It looks really nice. And our first pancake is ready. So I'm just gonna continue cooking my pancakes until I'm done, and then I'll show you guys how all of them turn out. Our pancakes are done. I am so happy with how all of them turned out. I hope that you liked this video. Until next time, bye!